On a black background, there is the Center for Independent Living in Toronto's logo and yellow text that reads, "Introducing the Inclusion of Disability Equity and Access, Facilitator Team." On a black background, yellow text reads, "Courage Bacchus, Idea Project Facilitator," with ASL to English interpretation and voiceover by Kimberly Johnson.
Hello everyone, I'm Courage. My name looks like this in sign language. Both hands move out from the chest into strong fists. My full name is Courage Bacchus. I am Takaranto-Guyanese. My intersectional identities in order are Black, female, deaf, and queer.
A slide with a black background and the words reading, "Why is this work important to you?" or "Why do you do this work?"
I have been involved with SILT for a number of years. The time has really flown by. SILT has given me the opportunity to share my lived experiences. Systemic oppression has affected me because of my intersectionality. I love advocating for myself and for my community, for those who are overlooked, invisible, and marginalized in our society, those being IBPOC, deaf, and disabled persons. I recognize that all the isms of the colonial system have failed me. I enjoy running and acting. They teach me, allow me to release my anger, my frustration, my anxiety. I feel free to express myself in a safe space.
A slide with a black background and yellow text that reads, "What is one disability inclusion or access tip you have?"
I encourage all of you to engage in self-reflection. Explore who you are and examine the impact that intersecting identities have on us all. Self-reflection allows us to better understand ourselves and others. Lack of self-awareness and self-knowledge are reasons to go through the process of unpacking. It is so worth it. After all, we are all human. Do we want to work together or burn bridges? To help build bridges, it is important to change attitudes, mindset, and long-held beliefs, and to realize how these assumptions influence our interactions with one another.
A slide with black background and yellow text reads, "To book a workshop for your organization, email Keat with the subject line Foundations, keat.welsh@silt.ca, keat.welsh@cilt.ca.